So, okay, for a second, let's go back at handling snakes. Like, tell me more about them. Tell me, how do you understand what are the snakes like? Non-venomous one, venomous ones. How do you identify? Like, give me more understanding about snakes.
Great question. And I always want to educate people about snakes. And so one of the best ways to educate people about snakes is to show them a snake. Because most people, when they say they're scared of snakes, what they really mean is that they've never met a snake. Now, this is a species of boa constrictor, red-tailed boa from South America. So this is one of the species we find very, very similar to this in the Amazon.
Okay.
And this is still a baby. They get to be as long as this table, as thick as your leg. And so what I'm going to do
How
is
young?
invite you. This may be probably under a year old.
Okay.
So if you just put your hand out like this with the thumb out,
You won't
you
bite
got
me,
this.
right?
It will not. Look, is it biting me? No.
No. But like, are you sure? I'm pretty scared.
100%. So just take the tail. Just take the tail. Just hold the tail. Just wrap your hand around the
Maybe
seat.
it senses that I'm scared.
So you just act like a tree. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. So you just see, and she's going to lift your hand up. Good. She's going to put her tail. She's going to hold on to you a little bit. This is a small baby animal, so you have to be protecting her. You don't want her to fall.
Okay.
You just have to be the tree. And see, she's just trying to feel secure. I know you're gonna be spooked to the head, but this is not an animal. She wants to eat mice. She wants to eat a bird. And see, she's just looking. She's so beautiful. The scales on their heads. And so again, you don't want to pet. They don't like it to be poked. It
Why?
scares them.
Okay.
She says, "This is something that's attacking me."
So you just be like sturdy.
I'm just being the tree. And so she's looking for the next branch to go on. And so I give her the next branch. No. See that? She gets scared. She goes, should I defend myself? So snakes aren't aggressive. They're defensive. When people say that's an aggressive snake, there's no aggressive snake. The only snake that'll eat people is a reticulated python. They eat little Indonesian grandmothers from time to time.
So aren't they venomous?
Absolutely. And if this snake was venomous, we would not be handling it here like this. I wouldn't risk your life and I wouldn't risk my life. This is a very, very calm, non-venomous snake. Why don't you lean in and look at her face? She cannot come closer to you. Lean in. Look really up close at how beautiful her scales are. She's got a very pretty face, those beautiful eyes. And they have this incredible feature where when they lift their head, their eyes actually rotate. So if their head is facing down, their eye will rotate up. So they're never actually seeing sideways or anything. An incredible adaptation. And you see the beautiful coloration on her tail. Now look, a snake, I'll show you something she won't like. She won't like being on here. It's not very easy for her to move.
Okay,
but she likes you.
Please hold. Please. Okay, then.
But that's good. She goes to you.
So, but why is she coming to me?
I mean, maybe she feels like you're good energy or she feels secure with you. No, she's not. She's just going in the first direction she can think of going. So right now she's using my hand to push off. See? And the thing I tell everybody with a snake is she's going to look for the first place that she can hide. So let's see where she finds. Oh, she's going to climb the tree.
It's not a tree, bro.
She doesn't know that. But look how good she is at climbing it. Oh, come on, you can do this. Come on, you sit there. It's going to be so good. She's going to climb your mic. This is a priceless shot. Lean into the mic. You got this. She's not going to do anything. Come on, lean closer.
She's not going to attack me.
Smile. This is an awesome shot. Hey, look at me. Look at me. You're good. Okay, hold on. See this? This is a defensive thing. Now that quick movement. Now she's going, am I in danger? And so she's turned herself into an S. Yes. Mm-hmm. And so look, she's holding on really tight. So that scared her.
Sorry.
But no, it's okay. She'll recover. So look, now if I just touch, they said they don't like being pet. If I just touch her tail like this, she's going, I don't really like that. I'm going to keep going. And then so see how she's calmed down now. She got scared and she goes right back to being calm. She's just seeing if she has to defend herself. Absolutely not trying to be aggressive in any way. I'll take her back over to my side.
But what happens if she bites?
This one, if she bit you, you'd be okay. It'd be a couple of scratches.
Okay.
Now, that's not the case for something like an anaconda. Now, I can't show you an anaconda today, but I can show you something kind of similar.
What?
Well, there's only a few snakes that get to be the size of an anaconda. There's anacondas, there's reticulated pythons that get to be even longer than anacondas. There's boa constrictors that get to be very big. But one of the most famous snakes and one of the most readily available to handle snakes that get to be that tremendous length are Burmese pythons. And you're going to love this. Watch.
I could hear this.
She is hissing.
Yeah.
Oh.
I have to get her to come. Now you get him. Yep.
Yep. All right, here we go. So this is a Burmese python, which you might recognize because
please put it away from me.
yes, this is a huge python. Just gonna try and get her. Let's just get her on the table.
Yeah.
So this is the closest thing I could show you to an anaconda in a setting like this. Now again, this is such a big snake, and like the littler snake, she's doing everything she can to feel safe. So she's grabbing onto the table right here.
What if she attacks?
She's not going to attack. Right now, so the fact that she's calm is a really good sign. But you get a sense of how powerful this snake is by just looking at how hard it is for me to lift it. I cannot lift this snake.
How big would this be?
This would be about a 14 or 15 foot snake, I believe. So she's just...
And how much would she weigh?
I don't know. I would imagine probably about 180 pounds. So this snake weighs the same as me.
And what if she attacks? Like what?
But again, what would make her attack right now? So if I was to hurt her in some way, maybe she would defend herself, but she's not going to attack.
But why is she why is she making this?
Well, that's how they figure things out. That's how they see. So she's scenting the air with her tongue, and then they have something called the Jacobson's organ that's going to the roof of her mouth, and she's getting information. So she's learning about us. But I mean, this is such a beautiful, beautiful snake. Wow. Yeah. That's a dragon of an animal. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. You're very big.
And
Very big and very powerful. So when we're dealing with anacondas, that anaconda that almost crushed my collarbones,
would be
this
something.
is about the size of that snake. Yeah.
See,
I'm just going to try and...
do you find these kind of snakes in India?
So this is very closely related to the Indian rock python. This is Python bivitatus. I've never seen it at a podcast. Look at this thing. Good girl. She's just putting on a show.
Wow.
You see how beautiful all these just tens of thousands of scales. And snakes are not like fish. Their scales are part of their skin. With fish, scales.
And how
are the
old
skin.
would this snake be?
She's about 6 years old. So this is obviously a captive snake, but she's raised well. She's very healthy. She's clearly loved and taken care of.
I've never had a conversation in my life with this danger being this close to me.
Danger. No, she's sweet. She's not being dangerous right now.
See, she's coming to me, please.
You. She wants you.
No,
okay?
she doesn't. No, please. Yeah, go to him, man. Go to him. See, she likes you
Well,
better.
she knows. She knows.
See, most people like me, they would feel fear at this point.
Of course.
At what point did your fear go away?
After handling hundreds and hundreds of snakes, but she's calm, right? Because she knows people. She's been handled. So see if you can lift that. Now that her head's all the way over here, see if you can lift that side of her body. You could just put your hands underneath and try and lift. Just try.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Dude.
Not wild.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is insane.
Yeah, she is insane. The thing is, there's so much of her that's not even on the table. Why don't you?
Can I hold it for you?
I would just take the back, Tristan, put it over his shoulder.
This one's
Her head is all the way by me. If anything happens, she's gonna bite me in the face.
Is this going to be very heavy?
Very heavy. You're gonna have to be strong. Stick your head under there. There you go.
What if she crushes me?
She's not gonna crush you. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Come on, you got this. Yo, let the warrior out. You're good. You're fine. Her head's nowhere near you.
What if she
My question now, I want to start interviewing you. You ever been in this position on a podcast before? What's your favorite color? No, let's stay calm. Let's stay calm. Where are you at? Come back. Back. So now we're going to let her slither over me, over you. She's going to move this way. Yeah, let her go. You feel all those muscles. What are you feeling right now?
I don't know, man.
Can you feel the muscles moving around your neck?
I could feel and how she's transferring weight from here to here, and now she's trying to get out of me.
Yeah, you feel how strong she is.
Yeah. If you just take a big breath and hold me, it'll be crushed.
Yes, this snake could easily crush both of us. She's so strong.
Don't get her face, Naomi, please.
I'm not.
Can I leave her?
No. You can't just drop her.
Okay, that face is coming near me, man. Okay, I'm scared.
You're good. Just smile, man. It's all good. Oh, no. You don't want that. You can't fit through there. I don't care what anybody says.
Wow.
This is taking a lot of my strength.
I can sense it.
Okay, let's get her down.
No. Thank you, buddy. Thanks for being kind, man.
Okay. Just go to sleep.
Should I leave?
No, you're good.
Why is she?
So anyway, what were you saying? So when you think of big snakes like this, first of all, they're apex predators. So these guys actually got introduced to the Florida Everglades in the US. And while they're the perfect apex predators in their natural environment, here they're invasive. And so they're actually such effective predators that they're eating everything. They've been found eating the alligators. And so you asked me if this is the same as an Indian rock python. These Burmese pythons tend to stay more in the jungle, and they may overlap into some part of eastern India at some point. But as far as I know, this is Python bivitatus. And then in India, you find Python marulis, I believe. And that I've found in southern India. And they seem to like more arid, sort of dry areas. But again, you can get these incredible sizes where they're eating dogs, deer, really whatever they want. And an animal like this is going to find places in the forest to rest. They'll eat once every 6 months, once every couple of months, whatever comes by. But absolutely amazing animals. Now, the interesting thing is that the first snake I showed you, that South American boa, they have live birth. Their babies come out of them alive. This big girl's laying eggs. That's one of the differences between the different species. Some of them
they lay eggs.
This one will lay eggs. This Burmese python will lay eggs. I can't get over her color. I'm really freaking out. This is such a beautiful snake. You know?
Tell me, see, even though you've man,
try thinking. Yeah.
Even though you have come out of the fear of being around them.
Yeah.
Like you seem to be pretty comfortable and playing around. You understand them.
Oh, she didn't want to be kissed.
She doesn't like that.
She didn't like that.
She didn't like that, man. So you've said that animals only become...
No.
Can we get that back in, please?